into the game's backend servers. Here are advanced and working solutions to fix it on PC, Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam Deck. 1. Check server status first. Go to the Dead by Daylight server status page/support.deadbydaylight.com. Or search Dead by Daylight server status on downdetector.com/stats//deadbydaylight. If servers are down, you must wait for a fix from Behavior Interactive. 2. Restart everything. Restart your game client. Restart your router/modem. Wait 30 seconds. Restart your PC or console. 3. Clear DNS cache, PC. Open command prompt as administrator. Run the following commands: ipconfig/flush DNS, netish winsock reset, netsh int IP reset, restart your PC. 4. Change DNS, all platforms. Use Google or Cloudflare DNS. Google DNS 8.8.88 and 88.4.4. Cloudflare DNS 1.11.1 and 1.0.1. On PC, go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, change adapter settings. Right-click your connection, Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, choose Use the following DNS and input above. On PS4, PS5, Xbox, go to Settings, Network, Set up Internet Connection, Manual. Enter the DNS manually as above. 5. Disable Crossplay temporarily. Go to Settings, Online, Crossplay, and turn it off. Try searching for a game again. Some users have found this fixes matchmaking server errors. 6. Check Firewall antivirus PC. Make sure deadbydaylight.exe and EAC Easy Anti-Cheat are allowed through Windows Firewall. If using antivirus like Avast, Bitdefender, etc., add DBD and Steam Epic as exceptions. 7. Switch to wired internet. A wired Ethernet connection is more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for online games like DBD. 8. Verify game files. Steam. Right-click Dead by Daylight in Library. Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity. Epic, go to Library, click 3 dots on DBD, Verify. 9. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat PC. Navigate to Dead by Daylight, Easy Anti-Cheat, Easy Anti-Cheat Setup.exe. Run it. Select DBD, click Repair. 10. Port Forwarding Advanced. Open these ports on your router: UDP 7700 27000 27050, TCP 80 443 27015 27030. This improves matchmaking and server reliability. If you're still stuck, log out of your platform, Steam, Epic, PSN, Xbox, and log back in. Try using a mobile hotspot briefly to confirm if your ISP is the issue. Contact DBD support port.deadbydaylight.com/